Lira Teacher Quality Education Center Kagadi Kekini kya balaza biro byokweza 2025 kwa katano mwaka guno 2025 tandika rusoma rwetu wa kabiri ukisima abazaire abasindikira abana mu bwire kandi nisima na staff bona bakaba 100% teaching staff na non-teaching staff.
My name is Andy Atom. I am the director of Divine International Learning Center Chiatika. We started the day one of the school very well because we had earlier on prepared for them, clearing places and so on. Everything started on well. Turn up was very good because we were able to realize at least 50% of the number we are expecting.
School and kirokino tutandikira tamu yaito ya tamu ya kabiri tutandikire kandi bonza kusima abazaire bona baresera abana the very first day turn up roho baitu teri yamani muno timanyire hawe biziwe biri mu agriculture kugama ngo bihimba tibikezere ebichori nayo tibikezere baitu turn up tebere nungi muno so far we know like 30% of the school enrollment. But tukulia na abandi bakwija before the end of today.
Ya Robert Semate mukuru w'esomero Bunyoro Secondary School Kagadi kirokino 2025 naito tuta 2026 tutandikira kurungi muno kandi abana bayitu nindora nibayija gonze etana takabaire nungi kugestimatinga kuba about 60%.
Directors w'esomero Kagadi People Secondary School kirokino tutandikire tamu ya kabiri kandi utandika rubaire rurungi turn up y'abana bire buno ari horizere mu percent nkankaga n'itanu tekereza hari turahikirankanye nkya rwebagyo bajya kubana bavuhaye